let's do a quick overview of this app, which is called Fam, Add Me on Snap. It's a social discovery app to make new friends. Using personalized AI matching, you're guaranteed to make new friends based on similarity to the real you. We create a personalized world where everyone's weird in the same way you are. Meet new friends based on personality, chemistry, and mutual interest. So you always have something to talk about. Just be your authentic self. Find new friends to hang out with. And yeah, so that's basically the idea of the app. And there are a bunch of apps like that all the time in social networking category. You can always find them, just like people matching with each other, random video chats, random audio chats, and all of that. Here is it's just the main focus is kind of like Tinder. So you add your Snapchat username and you try to match with other people, and that's basically how it is working. Let's just discover it. Just be these kind of apps because sometimes they're a bit scammy and all of that. So you create your account with Snapchat. You can log in with your Snapchat, then you can just connect your Bitmoji. After that, you add your profile pictures. You can view your profiles like that. And then you need to add your socials. You need to add your Snapchat username, so you will be able to share it. You can add some bio, some relationship status, some looking for, who are you looking for, so your ethnicity and all of that. If in case you also not happy with the app, you want to delete your account, you can also do it here. So that's that. And then basically you just swipe in, you just select who you want to hang out with. There are a bunch of people, and then for that you need this fire icon. So here you can earn some fire icons just by logging into the app. So that's basically that. You can get snaps so that's basically the idea. Then there is filter. There is like age range, which you can filter out who you want to meet as gender, distance. So also basically when you create an account in this app, you need to give permissions to receive notifications. You need to give permission for your location, socials, star sign, all of that. And then you can just set filters. And then you can just hang out. There are still not that many people in this app. This app is mostly US only. And it's so as you can see, that's basically that's what it is. And then you can just tap to send fire, and then you can just share socials. So meaning then after that, these people will be here in the like section, and you will be able to exchange with them via Snapchat, chatting, or like Instagram or something like that. Then also you have invites, the invites tab, second from the left, and then you have Fam Team where you can invite friends and stuff like that. So that's basically the idea. That's the app in a nutshell. That's how it works. It's one of those apps where you can just randomly chat and meet people. There aren't that many users, so if you're outside of US, I'm not sure if you can use it properly. Even in US, there aren't that many users, but who knows, if you're tired of Tinder and you also like Snapchatting, that's the app probably you should give a try. The average rating seems to be pretty okay. If it was like complete scam or something like that, I think it would be much worse. It's a good app to find friends, good app. Great. So I don't know, still I would really recommend you to be careful. Just use it carefully. All these apps, they enter in the top charts for a few days and they can just go down. And some of these apps are using bots or some other malicious technologies quite often because people want to match and chat with each other. So just be careful, but otherwise try out.